What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here for you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Trader Joe. And no, I'm not talking about the food market chain. Is 1 billion TVL already trading on AVAX? Let's get into it. But before I jump into the content, I just completely revamped my website, bitcoinlockup.com, as you can see on the screen here. There's some very exciting stuff coming, and you can always preview my newest videos there before they hit YouTube or any other platform. There will also be bonus exclusive content coming that will not be made available anywhere else. Let's dive in.
And here we go.
Welcome back. So in some of our last videos, we talked about, of course, some different Polkadot projects and their impacts on the crypto ecosystem. We've also covered Solana projects, Cosmos projects, and of course, dug deeper into NFTs. Now we are taking a look into Avalanche, the new budding DeFi ecosystem that claims to be able to execute smart contracts and run dApps in less than 1 second. Today, I wanted to touch on a project built on AVAX called Trader Joe, where they claim to have over 1 billion TVL already trading. What is it? Why was it created? And then ultimately why you should really start paying attention to this. So what is Trader Joe? Trader Joe is an AMM-based decentralized exchange platform on the Avalanche blockchain. Trader Joe is a fork of Uniswap's code, but with a few key differences. There are not too many AMMs on Avalanche yet, but the most popular AMM among users on this blockchain is Pangolin, so it can be said that Trader Joe's direct competitor is, of course, Pangolin. Simply put, Trader Joe is a one-stop, decentralized trading platform on Avalanche that helps users swap between 2 token pairs. So what problem does this actually solve that Pangolin isn't? Trader Joe, in addition to being an AMM, also integrates a number of features such as yield farming, lending, staking, all with the aim of becoming an aggregate platform and bringing the best experience to users. In addition, users can exchange tokens for LP tokens with just one click-through on the Zap feature, which is a new feature on AMM. If other projects raise capital before making products, then Trader Joe has the exact opposite direction. They are not a fair launch project, meaning no token sale. The team does not hold any tokens, but will run the project, the entire Joe. Project token will be unlocked through inflation. However, Trader Joe still has an allocation for future investors, if any. Trader Joe is a self-proclaimed one-stop trading platform, as I mentioned, just for Avalanche. It launched its decentralized exchange on June 29th of 2021 and has plans to offer DeFi lending and leverage trading at a later date. The product is purely community driven through its Joe governance token and allocates fees collected from liquidation and swaps back to the users via staking Joe to get X Joe rewards. Overall, the platform offers a slick and friendly user experience that appears to be attracting a lot of new traders on AVAX. The core function of Trader Joe is an exchange platform. People can use the exchange to swap the native Avalanche AVAX token as well as other cryptos. To make this possible, the platform first needs liquidity.
We're prepared to sell you $5 million in credit default swaps on these mortgage bonds.
Can we make it 100 million?
Simply put, the tokens need to be available and to be provided by the people. But this sounds like the same thing as Pangolin, right? Why is Trader Joe any different? Well, Pangolin was one of the first decentralized exchanges on Avalanche and quickly developed as the go-to trading platform for AVAX users. However, Pangolin struggled to stay innovative and failed to listen to the needs of the users. Ultimately, this led to the birth of Trader Joe near the end of June of 2021. Their launch was a reaction directly because of the shortcomings of Pangolin. Trader Joe overtook Pangolin in terms of TVL and daily active users by mid-August. The Trader Joe achieved through their appealing UI and UX, improved yield farm products, and most importantly, creating a story around Joe. Ironically, memes are very important in the crypto industry, and most often, grassroots memes can take projects all the way to the top, as was the case for Trader Joe. Now, Trader Joe is expanding into lending as of shooting this. Banker Joe is the name of the lending product on the Trader Joe platform. The product has been in the works for quite some time, but on October 11th, it finally went live. The lending product lets users lend out idle tokens to earn yield and/or use idle tokens as collateral to borrow against. The TVL of Banker Joe is already sitting at 600 million, bringing the combined TVL of Trader Joe to 1.6 billion. The introduction of a lending product to the platform made Trader Joe more attractive to other users. The team already stated that they are working on leveraged yield farming. Sounds pretty dangerous. Combining their lending and yield farming product and bringing it to a higher level. Additionally, a portion of the interest earned and liquidations on Banker Joe are being redistributed to the XJoe stakers. In the past 24 hours, the APY for stakers is almost 40%, a significant increase from the average APY of 16%. The team already revealed that they are planning to combine their DEX and lending services to offer leveraged yield farming to their users. And all these things drive more users and more capital to the Trader Joe platform. As more people are using Joe's products, more fees are generated. These are then redistributed to the XJoe stakers. The effort from Trader Joe has positioned the protocol to benefit from future adoption of the Avalanche ecosystem. It is also a great example on how anyone is able to participate in and benefit from the innovation in the DeFi space. So why did this catch my attention now? Well, while I'm studying Avalanche's products, Avalanche's Trader Joe DEX kicks off a $20 million incentive program. The Avalanche native DEX, again Trader Joe, announced Thursday that the launch of a $20 million liquidity mining incentive program in collaboration with the Avalanche Foundation. These incentives will be applied across the entire platform, but will focus in particular on growth in native markets per a copy of the release. The incentives will consist of 10 million in Joe tokens and 10 million in AVAX tokens. The 20 million in incentives is especially large given the current size of the project, accounting for 7% of Joe's total token market cap at the time of this filming. The exchange now counts $1.2 billion in closely watched total value locked metric, up from just 25 million in August. It has also managed to overtake rival exchange Pangolin in TVL and volume, accounting for 85% of swaps on Avalanche and capturing 90% of liquidity coming across the bridge. They want to be the largest exchange across all EVM or Ethereum virtual machine chains. Additionally, the team wants to expand to be a full-service DeFi platform, offering lending and other services on other blockchains. Now, wrapping this up, this is a pretty interesting DEX that seems to be dominating, and with that TVL, user growth, and new LPs, this sounds like it could ultimately be a dominant player in the AVAX lending and trading ecosystem.
Watch, it will pay. I may have been early, but I'm not wrong.
Have you used Joe's platform yet? Let me know down in the comments below. And then go ahead and click right here in the top right corner to watch my video on a deep dive into AVAX. I will see you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.